Hello, my friends. Welcome. So good to be with you today. This is Lucy from Fluid Art with Macrame Elegance, and we're going to do some blooms in a garden. Now, I already have a thin layer of paint on it because what I was working on didn't work out. So I'm going to put some pillow paint on it. I'm going to spin that out just a little bit. Now, I use PPG Multi Pro. Let me tilt it a little bit to get it. There we go. All right. Now for my paint colors. For the flowers, we're going to be starting with Red Violet by Amsterdam. Golden's Nickel Azo Gold. I still have some of that. We're going to be using this little piggy Watermelon. One of my favorites. And then we have kind of a peachy gold, just a kind of a light gold. I'll be using black oxide. Now for my leaves, I will be using hooker green and a custom metallic green, and I'll be using a dark green cell activator for that. So let's start with our Amsterdam. Not gonna make them too big. That's the Red Violet. And Nickel Azo Gold. And our Watermelon. And then we have our gold. Center it. Oops, that one needs some mixing. I thought it was. Let's see. Let's try again a little bit. Just in the middle. Okay, let's pop some bubbles. And we're gonna work on our leaves before we do anything with that. So let's lay down some colors. I don't know why I did so many. I think I did an extra one in there. That's okay. That's our hooker green. And I see lots of bubbles, so let's just kind of get rid of them. Next is our custom color. It's olive green, kind of. It's metallic in it. All right, I'm going to be using dark green for our cell activator. Have you ever noticed that some of the bottles will release a bubble more than other bottles? I don't know why. All right, let's blow it out. I'm going to be using my small little blow dryer. Okay, our next job is to work on the blooms in the middle. A lot of the leaves will go off, and that's just part of the game. Okay, let's use black cell activator. Which one shall I do? Let me do this one first. Which hair dryer? I think I still use the small one. Okay. Now, let's move on to our, this one. All right. Let that settle up a little bit, and I'll start working on the skewer work. I kind of like that rim. That's from the cell activator, but I kind of like it. Now, if there's green nearby, I'll take it from the green. That's a pretty flower. Okay. Let me see, where's my straw? If I could just scoot that over a little bit. Okay, now okay, Oh, let's clean that one up. I love this dark line. Now let's work on some of the leaves. I'll fast forward through some of this. All right, my friends, are we done here? I think so. Let's spin this out. The colors are very pretty. I'm gonna do it slowly. Faster. Woo, that's pretty. Let me tilt it this way a little. Oops, kind of moving around there. All right, let me see. Oh, that's pretty. I do want it off this, a little bit more this way. Oh, no, 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 no. She's okay. She's okay. Let's do it slowly. Okay, just a little bit more this way, this way. All right. That's beautiful. Well, I'm happy with that. I see, let me get my glove off. I do need to get rid of this here. I think I'd like to do this again with these colors because it's so pretty. Less green. What do you think? Okay, my friends, I'll get you down for a close-up. Beautiful lacing in here. A little more green to than my liking, but I think I'll do this again. We'll see how it turns out. This is 11 by 14. All right, God bless you. I'll see you in the next video.